Hey all, this is Samudita from Adya's Kitchenettes. Hope you all are doing good. Today I have made a batter from which I will be making three kind of breakfast. One is plain masala dosa, onion dosa and appe or masala paddu. This is masala appe, paddu or masala muffin you can tell. This is onion dosa or uttapam. This is plain dosa. So let's get started with the ingredients. Urad dal quarter cup, split moong dal 1 cup, whole moong dal 1 cup, fenugreek 1 teaspoon, little millet quarter cup, chana dal or split chickpeas 1 cup. This is moong dal, urad dal, whole green gram, chana dal or split chickpea, little millet, fenugreek seeds. So add all these together. Wash and clean them all. Soak minimum for 4 hours and grind them into a batter. After grinding, you can add some salt into it. Now grease the pan and pour the dosa. This is plain dosa. You can serve it with masala, aloo masala or potato masala. You all can make out how satiated it will be or how filling it would be even a single dosa, because I have used almost all the pulses or legumes, and I have used the little millet as well to give it more to make it more nutritious and satiated. So this will definitely help you in weight loss. Actually, I had made this only using chana dal also. You can just soak the chana dal, grind it and pour the dosa in the same manner. That will also turn very crispy and very tasty. It was a recipe invented by chance. Like instead of tur dal, I had added chana dal, and I had already soaked it, so I didn't wanted to waste it, and I tried making dosa out of it, and it turned out very well. So just this time I have added some other pulses too to make it more nutritional. So this is our plain dosa. Here I have chopped some onion, green chili and coriander. The mixture, the batter mixture, I have kept it for 1 day and it got fermented. Once it is fermented, you can add the onion and coriander to it and make two other breakfasts from this. I'm making appe, so I'll be greasing appe pan and normal dosa pan to add uttapam or onion dosa, and I'll be pouring appe to masala appe into the appe pan. So this is how I have used the same batter into three kind of breakfast. So you can use this one day as an appe, one day you can make it onion dosa, and one day you can just eat as a plain dosa when it is fresh. So it will be instant dosa. With the leftover dosa, you can make onion dosa and appe, and make sure that you close the lid while cooking dosa batter. While cooking dosa and appe. Since this has all pulses and millet, it takes time to cook. So it should get cooked thoroughly, or else inside it will be like sticky kind. So it's better that you close the lid so that it gets steeped properly and get cooked thoroughly. I have drizzled some onion, coriander and chili along with ghee for onion dosa, and this is our appe, masala appe. So this is ready to serve. Thanks all. Please do like, share and subscribe Aadya's Kitchenettes. See ya.